What's going on, everybody? Just want to share with you something that I'm looking at the charts that I have kind of been waiting for. Um, Over the course, really, ever since we broke this inverse head and shoulders, I had noticed that this this move, this was a China like news announcement that they're creating their own cryptocurrency, and that day we pumped about 40% or so, 40+%. I feel like that this whole like move was just like positioned into the market for a specific reason. Right now, as you can see, this is on a 4-hour chart. This is how I'm looking at the chart. Let me get rid of this line really quick, though. How I'm looking at this chart is that I think what we're gonna do is basically something along the lines like this. Some type of, you could call it like an inverse head and shoulders, or you can just call it some type of, just breakout point, really. But I mean, I would probably be measuring this as an inverse head and shoulders. It's possible that we could come down lower. It's very possible. But we were at 9,170 yesterday, and now we jumped to about 8,400. What I am thinking we're gonna do is, I believe we're gonna break this line right up here. Now there's two ways to do it. You could have it as I have right now, or you could draw it like this. I would say anything above, if we can just get above, if we could just get above the previous high, 91.78, it's very likely that we're going to make our move up. And this would probably be the move that would take us to this wick top right here. So what I'm currently doing for this trade is currently in a long position. I long this market at 86.40. And I'm definitely going to probably take profit at this wick top right here. Keep in mind, there's going to be people that are probably going to be placing sells before it. So there's a chance it could come very close to the top of this wick. This wick is actually, let's see exactly where this wick is. Now, there's a chance, too, that this could maybe not play out, but I'm thinking by the way it's looking, it's going to probably retest this trend line up here. And if it can get above that, it's a pretty obvious breakout from there. This wick top's at, I would say roughly, I think it's 10,500, and let me go to the hourly. Hold on 1 second. About 10,550-ish. And that move, if I take a price range tool, that move's going to be from current price roughly. I mean, that's like a 20% move up. Now, depending on what leverage you're trading, you're looking at, obviously, if you're trading 100x, which most likely people aren't, but if you were trading 100x, you can make 2,000% profit. I do think if we break this line right here, I do pretty sure there's a very high probability that we will make our way at least to this wick top right here at about 90, 98, 9,900. Also, this wick top would be a great sell point at about 90, was it 9,600? 95, 95. Other points. Like you can see right here, we hit this wick. Let me get the MA off this. Hold on 1 second. You can see we hit this pretty exact. Pretty close. It's very likely in my eyes that we do test up. We test this top trend. And if we can even get, looking at the VPVR, if we get above about 87.50, 87.80, there's a 21-day moving average. This is on the hourly at about 88.40. Now, keep in mind, it could move up. It could move down a little bit, but I would say anything above 8,800 would be a potential area where we might have a slight retrace. Overall, though, I'm in a trade right now, and I'm probably going to hold this assuming that it could very well break out. If it breaks this this line right here. Anywhere in the 9150 to 9180 range or higher. Very likely we break out. And then from there, I think we can move up about, let's see, from the breakout point, that's about almost 15% moves us up. I don't think we're going to go down much more at all. If I take a fib tool, let's see, the bottom of the structure has retraced right there. So you can see that lines up very well. We bounced pretty high, and on the hourly, we're showing a lot of green candles. Watch for the move at 88.50s, 88.40s. Probably going to hit some resistance up there. If we get above that, we'll probably go straight back up to 9,000 tonight. And then we'll see what happens. But I think this move's going to happen very quickly. We hadn't had a sell-off in quite some time. The last decent sell-off, I would say, would have been right here when we hit 80, 84, 8,500. We 61 retraced, I believe, 61 fib retrace. Yeah, actually about a 0.5. That was very good right there. Now let's look at the other angle to this. Let's just say that we actually don't go up. Let's say we go down. Well then, if it's going to go down, I would imagine we're going to hit this wick right here. Guarantee we bounce. So that'd be about 84.40s in that range. We'll double bottom right there, and then we'll make our way back up, and we'll probably attempt to retest this. Another way you could look at this for a sell point would be take your line and just run it like that. As you can see, it hit at 1, 2, almost 3, basically 3 times, or actually almost 4. Hit it 3 times. Now, trading Bitcoin for a while, over a couple of years, like I have, I know Bitcoin either breaks down on the 4th attempt, it touches the line, or it breaks out. So, with that being said, this would be the 4th attempt, and it's likely we just hook straight back up, go right back where we were. It's probably a manipulated move by the exchanges, and make our way straight back up. Just straight back up. That's all I got really for today. I got some things to do in town, but I'm going to be posting videos every day. And I'll see you guys in another one.